Did you know that you don't need expensive toolkits to create beautiful, professionally looking color grades? All you need is a little bit of knowledge and the right structure. And this is why I have created new PowerGrade Master Blend V2 for DaVinci Resolve. Now, here's the truth. There's tons of PowerGrades and presets out there, but most of them, they don't actually work. They don't teach you anything, they're not versatile, they don't adapt to different footage, and they often leave you guessing what each node actually does. And this is exactly what makes Master Blend V2 different. It's a full color grading system, flexible, fully explained, and designed to elevate your grading across any kind of content. And also, what truly sets it apart is that it includes the RGB crosstalk DCTL, one of the most powerful DCTLs I have came across. So if you've ever struggled with the RGB mixer or felt limited by traditional color wheels, this DCTL will change how you work. And the best part is, my PowerGrade costs less than one takeaway meal, so the choice is yours. Here's what you will get. The PowerGrade node tree, my most used node structure with pre-adjusted nodes that are also optimized for all kind of footage, raw and log, a 59-page ebook, a deep dive into every node so you learn as you go, one workflow video tutorial so you can watch me using the PowerGrade from start to finish, and previously mentioned RGB crosstalk DCTL that will give you more precision, better color separation, and complete creative control, which is a huge upgrade from the default RGB mixer. So if this is something of your interest, grab my PowerGrade, you can find it under the link below this video. And then if you use it, share your results. I would genuinely love to see what you create.